A second Norwalk police officer accused of drinking on the job and ignoring service calls won't get the chance to have her charges dropped. Today, a judge denied Sarah Lodano's request for a pretrial probation program. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter reports.
No real surprise with this decision, given Sarah Lodano's co-defendant had his request for accelerated rehabilitation denied last week. But Lodano's attorney argued she should be considered differently, while the prosecutor said her charges are even worse. Attorney Ray Hassett called client Sarah Lodano the ideal person for accelerated rehabilitation, someone with no prior record who's unlikely to get in trouble again.
I understand the state has its job to do, but in this scenario, this is a perfect candidate, in my opinion, who has a small toddler at home, is taking care of it as a single parent, and has gone through a great deal of turmoil.
Hassett had previously said Lodano was depressed and self-medicating after an assault in 2019, and it got worse when she had a baby last year. In January, police arrested Lodano and Michael DeMeglio following a 3-month investigation into their behavior during a 12-hour shift in October. Arrest warrants say they drank before their shifts and during them, and didn't respond to service calls before supervisors found them in a hotel room. Police also say Lodano drove with her infant in the cruiser after drinking and vaping THC.
In comparison with Mr. DeMiglio's case, Ms. Lodano actually faces more serious charges, a felony count of risk of injury to a minor.
Judge Gary White ruled Lodano endangered the residents of Norwalk and her child. He determined the circumstances were too serious for AR, telling the court, "Your client was a police officer and I can't ignore that fact. Is she eligible for AR? Yes. Under proper circumstances, would I give her AR? Yes. But this is not a situation where she impulsively did something." Lodano returns here December 3rd. That's when the state's attorney says he'll put a plea offer on the table. In Stamford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.